Look deep into the April face. A change has clearly taken place. Looking for the summer. The eyes take on a certain gaze and leave behind the springtime days. Go looking for the summer. This ain't no game of kiss and tell. The implications how you know so well. Go looking for the summer. Time has come and they must go to play the passion out that haunts you so. Looking for the summer. Remember love, how it was the same. We scratched and hurt each other's growing pains. We were looking for the summer. And still I stand this very day with a burning wish to fly away. I'm still looking for the summer. Looking for the summer. I was lost in the deep and darkest night. No direction, not a single hope in sight. When I saw a fire burning brightly aged above. In the shadows of your warm and tender love, I was a stranger to the land of life around, in constant danger, being hurt by what I found, and of hurting what I treasured most. Foolish ego, never dove, till I fell upon your warm and tender love. In the shadows of your warm and tender love. Your tender love. Now I gaze in peace at the lonely sky that is raging high above, safe in the shadows of your warm and tender, tender love. In the shadows of your warm and tender love. Your tender love. Oh, your tender love, yeah. Tender love. Oh, your tender love, yeah. Well, we come down to the valley. Yeah, we're looking for the honey. I see a rainbow. I said that's the land of milk and money. Me and my cousin, me and my brother, my little sister too, coming looking for a rainbow. Now we're looking for the rainbow. Well, we come down to the valley, got our babies in our arms. Yeah, we're Maggie's little children, and we're looking for Maggie's